Welcome to the holy mountain Rinjani with 3,726 meters, the second highest volcano in Indonesia. Hello, my name is Bram. I am 39 years old. I'm a local trekking guide to climb the Mount Rinjani. The time to reach the crater is 9 hours hiking. Normally, I hike 3 times a week Mount Rinjani. I earn 3 million rupiah every month. The last eruption was 2 years ago from the small volcano in the lake. I like this job because I meet a lot of people from different countries. And I like the exercise too.